Hello YouTube, in this video we will be reviewing the 5 cheapest and best managed hosting services for beginners. Stay tuned, and in this video we will cover everything that you need to know about each hosting provider, and you can find more information below. Let's go. Number 1. Kamatera Hosting stands out in the world of web hosting for its cutting-edge cloud infrastructure and unmatched scalability, making it a preferred choice for businesses of all sizes. Their innovative cloud platform is engineered for optimal performance and reliability, boasting a global network of data centers strategically positioned for lightning-fast access worldwide. What truly sets Kamatera apart is its extensive range of customizable cloud solutions, offering everything from virtual private servers to fully managed cloud services tailored to suit individual needs. With Kamatera, you have the flexibility to scale resources up or down effortlessly, ensuring your hosting environment adapts seamlessly to your evolving requirements. Moreover, their dedicated support team is available 24/7, ready to provide expert assistance and guidance whenever you need it, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free hosting experience. With Kamatera Hosting, you can rest assured that your online projects are in capable hands, backed by innovative technology and unparalleled scalability to fuel your business growth. Number 2. Contabo stands out as a premier web hosting provider, offering dedicated servers and VPS solutions with exceptional service and cutting-edge technology. Boasting a high rating score in terms of customer reviews, Contabo impresses with its reliability, affordability, and responsive customer support. With servers located across multiple continents and prices ranging from $4 all the way up to $300, Contabo caters to a diverse range of users, all the way from startups to high-traffic websites. While its uptime could be improved, its fast response times, user-friendly control panel options like cPanel and Plesk, and easy WordPress installation make it a top choice for those seeking cost-effective hosting solutions. Overall, Contabo's robust features, budget-friendly plans, and attractive support make it a standout hosting provider worth considering for your online ventures. Number 3. Ultahost, established by ScriptSun in 2019, offers a range of affordable web hosting solutions tailored for personal websites and small to medium-sized businesses. With data centers in the USA, Canada, Germany, and the Netherlands, Ultahost ensures higher security and efficiency by managing its infrastructure. Their shared hosting plans boast features like NVMe SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, daily backups, free SSL certificates, and cPanel access, catering to various needs. While the promotional prices are competitive, renewal rates, especially for the business and pro packages, are a bit higher. However, Ultahost provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, and with their 24/7 live chat support and other communication channels available, they ensure prompt assistance for their customers, making it a viable option for those seeking reliable and affordable web hosting solutions. Number 4.
Looking for web hosting that caters to all? Hostinger has you covered. With competitive prices and wide range of features, they make web hosting accessible to everyone. Their commitment to affordability without compromising quality sets them apart. And it's not just about cost cutting. Hostinger provides an impressive range of features, from a user-friendly interface to a free website builder, one-click WordPress installs to a variety of optimization tools. They've got it all covered. One of Hostinger's main pros is its superb speed. In this digital world, every millisecond counts, and Hostinger seems to understand this. They provide fast and reliable hosting services, ensuring your website is always up and running at its best. Hostinger excels in speed, ensuring your website is always up and running smoothly. Their customer support is top-notch, offering 24/7 live chat for quick solutions. Plus, they're environmentally conscious, investing in renewable energy and waste reduction. However, there are a couple of things to consider. The free domain is only included in the premium and business packages, and the base plan has limited bandwidth. So if you're experiencing high traffic or growth, you may need to upgrade. In summary, Hostinger has a solid choice for beginners and experienced webmasters alike. It's affordable, robust, and user-friendly, although additional costs for a domain and higher bandwidth may apply. Remember, in web hosting, quality often comes at a price.
Number 5. DreamHost emerges as a top choice for Linux-powered websites, offering robust suite for hosting options including shared, WordPress, VPS, and dedicated plans. With extensive domain management tools, strong security features, and excellent cloud hosting offerings, DreamHost caters to both personal and business needs. While its shared hosting plans like Starter and Unlimited lack email in the Starter option, DreamHost impresses with its unlimited data transfers per month and a generous 97 money-back guarantee. Moreover, its cloud hosting packages provide simple tools for creating flexible and attractive sites. Although DreamHost lacks telephone support and Windows-based servers, its solid performance, user-friendly interface, and reliable uptime make it a standout choice for hosting needs. Overall, DreamHost earned its place in top 10 as HTH Guide's editor's choice for cloud-based solutions, alongside Jonas for those seeking world-class hosting solutions. Thanks for watching us, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and this way you support our channel to grow.